Financial stability is key when choosing a career. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or a professional considering a change, knowing the highest-paying jobs can guide your decision. Join us as we explore over 15 top-paying roles, from executive officers to engineers, with insights into industry trends, salaries, and required qualifications. 15 highest-paying jobs. 1. Chief Executive Officer, CEO. 2. Investment Banker. 3. High Court Judge. 4. Consultant. 5. Anesthesiologist. 6. Chief Financial Officer, CFO. If you are looking for a CV, check out our website to jumpstart your job search. Explore a variety of CV templates and examples, along with helpful blog article. 7. Commercial Pilot. 8. Actuary. 9. Solicitor Lawyer. 10. Data Scientist. 11. Director of Engineering. 12. Tax Director. 13. Marketing Director. 14. Plastic Surgeon. 15. Ophthalmologist. If you want to learn more about average salaries and entry requirements, visit our website for detailed information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others discover valuable insights into high-paying careers.